everyone, welcome back to our channel ZTC, and today we'll be delving into a crucial topic for web security, cross-site scripting, commonly known as XSS. XSS is a type of security vulnerability found in web applications that allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. These scripts can execute in the context of a user's browser, leading to potential attacks and unauthorized access. Let's discuss about the types of XSS first. Stored XSS. In stored XSS attacks, the malicious script is permanently stored on the target server and served to users whenever they access a particular page. Imagine a user on a social media platform posting a message that includes a script. This script is stored on the server and then displayed to other users who view the post. When these users see the post, the malicious script executes in their browsers, potentially stealing their session cookies or sensitive information. Next up, reflected XSS involves the injection of malicious scripts into a target website, and the script is then reflected off a web server to the user's browser. Image: you receive a mail from a bank that is an evil email. When you click on link, it will send request to vulnerable bank website. Then vulnerable bank website takes data from request and include invalid webpage, and the user browser now trusts the attacker's script is from bank. Then the attacker has full access to victim's account. DOM-based XSS. Now, DOM-based XSS occurs when the attack exploits the document object model of a web page. The malicious script manipulates the DOM, leading to the execution of the attack. Imagine a web page that uses JavaScript to dynamically update content based on user actions. An attacker crafts a URL that, when clicked, triggers JavaScript on the page to execute unintended actions. This could involve altering the page content or stealing information. The key difference is that the malicious script manipulates the DOM directly, rather than being part of the server's response. Stored XSS, reflected XSS, and DOM-based XSS. These attacks can happen to anyone, but being informed is the first step to staying secure online. So first we will acknowledge about the preventions first. Input validation and sanitization. Validate and sanitize all user input on both the client and server sides. Ensure that user input adheres to a defined set of rules and does not include malicious code. Next, encode user-generated content before rendering it on the web page. This ensures that any potentially malicious code within the content is treated as plain text and not executed by the browser. Finally, use web application firewalls. Employ web application firewalls to filter and monitor HTTP traffic between a web application and the internet. Mark cookies as HTTP only and secure. The HTTP only attribute prevents client-side scripts from accessing cookies, while the secure attribute ensures that cookies are transmitted over secure, encrypted connections only. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of XSS attacks. We've unraveled the mystery behind what XSS is, explored the devious techniques hackers use, and armed you with essential prevention strategies. Remember, vigilance is key. Stay informed, implement robust defenses, and together we'll create a safer digital space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's fortify our online world against these threats.